I would like to start my reflection with a more broader um, look at some of the things that I've learned. And I'd like to start with the supportive environment for all the different types of learners that I've found that you can do online. You know, it's not just something that has to be face to face. Online instruction also offers um, that ability for you to do that as an instructor. Also, the importance of student-to-student interaction, not just my interaction as an instructor with the student, but also how building a community with the students can be very important and emotionally supportive. I like the idea that there are different ways to reach students, email, or even through Canvas, and also work and assignment feedbacks, immediately done through recordings or videos. And also that there is a sense that this is a very professional environment and is very serious. It's not just some, online video game, but that we have to, as instructors, meet all of the criteria that we have to meet in an actual brick and mortar environment. I am really impressed with how I was able to personalize my sandbox. And there are so many things that I've left out when I taught an online course over the summer, and all of the gaps that were filled in with this course. I'm really surprised and very pleased that I have a much better outlook on giving a all and encompassed instruction for my students. I also like the idea that there's lots of help online with videos and YouTube instructions and examples that you can use to find help if you need it, and if you have a question about something or how to do something. It's all there. Everything is online. Some of the more specific things that I found to be very helpful in this online instruction is the backward design. I really like that, where you think about what it is that you want the students to learn first, and then plan your lessons based on that. I like the idea of the unit level objectives, which is something that I will be incorporating immediately in my lessons, and identifying desired results and planning the learning experience is really, I have a lot of excitement about that because there's so much information and tools and resources online. Planning the learning experience has so much potential with videos and texts and photos and recordings. And another aspect that I really appreciate that I got from the course is the UDL, the Universal Design Learning, which reinforces the fact that even though this is online, you can still reach all of your learners in all different ways with accessibility and all of the different styles of learning. You can still do that online. The other thing that I found to be very, very, very resourceful that I'm also going to start using more of immediately and reach outside of just the textbook, and that is the OER and the wealth of all the different types of free text and media, and the and learning in this course all of the rules that apply to using these different resources. That's very, very helpful. How to incorporate it into pages and modules was very, very helpful. How has my thinking changed towards the online teaching? Well, there is a lot of professionalism. This is a very serious thing that we as instructors can still offer that same level of professionalism online that we could also offer in the classroom. And with all of the readily available resources, makes it much, much easier and a really smooth transition. I really love this online teaching. I think that it has so much potential and just such a wealth of information that we can incorporate into the learning process that comes along with the World Wide Web. So thank you so much for being patient with me and with my assignments. I really, really enjoyed this course. I can't tell you how it has changed my thinking. It has relieved a lot of stress from thinking, thinking about where can I get these sources? How do I incorporate it? And the biggest thing was the plagiarism and giving credit to those that have shared their information. So I can't wait to start using some of the things and getting some more practice in with incorporating these into my online courses. Thank you.